Hello everyone, welcome back again to Angie Abad Nature channel, and if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so very much for joining me and journeying with me here in YouTube. So this is just an update of our situation because our house was flooded, and so right now we are here in the hotel. Today is our 5th day here in the hotel. And it's just nearby our house, so we can anytime go and check the house. But yeah, yesterday we went to the house and it's really terrible. It's like it's not livable anymore because of the water that is inside the house. It's getting so smelly because our apartment, we are in the ground floor, and we are surrounded by drainage. And yeah, last Thursday or last Wednesday night, it rained so much the whole night, and so the next day we woke up with a flooded house already. And in the afternoon of Thursday, we left our house and came here in the hotel. Yeah, and I'll show you a video of the video that I took yesterday, and yeah, so that you'll see. I hope and I pray that the authorities of the college, they're going to do something about the flood. There are some reasons of this flood here in Haldia. They are saying that it is because of the drainage problem. There is a clogging of the drainage, and also there is this dam that was open. That's why there are a lot of places that was flooded. Anyhow, I praise God for this time, because He's so faithful and He protected us as family, and we are okay here in the hotel. Of course, there are some compromises, but that's okay as long as we are okay. All of us, our family, we four are fine. And just want to let you know that when we hung unto the Lord, nothing is too difficult. All the trials that we are going through, it shall pass through also. And once again, thank you for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, that's it for today. God bless you. Watch this video. Bye-bye.